Chick on Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's not required to participate in this giveaway, but I would love it if you would be a follower of me on Instagram. I post all of the crafts that I do. Let me tell you a little bit about the channel, then I'll show you what I'm giving away. This is a channel where I do all things crafting. I'll go live twice a week. Wednesday night is Craft With Me Wednesday. That is a live I do at 6 p.m. Central every week, and you never know what craft I'm going to dig out. Tonight I did coloring. Sometimes it's loom knitting, sometimes it's crochet, sometimes it's cross stitch, sometimes it's diamond painting. My live on the weekend is Sundays at 11 Central, and I usually have a guest on, and we'll diamond paint, or we'll chit chat, or we'll do some kind of craft together. All right, let me tell you, Monday through Friday, and sometimes there's a Saturday edition, I do a daily show. It's a vlog about my life, and I throw in some true crime. I used to be an attorney once upon a time, so I will monitor and watch live trials both on TV or YouTube, and I'll bring those to you each day. I'll bring you coverage of what has occurred during the trial, and I explain why it occurred, and you'll get my reaction, which is kind of humorous sometimes. So let me show you what I'm giving away. This month we get, I've had a giveaway every month this year, and that will be continuing throughout the year. So this is Yarn Bee. It is called, what is it called? Yarn Bee Uber Luxe. This is a 6-weight. Look at that color. It's like a mint green. They are calling it Ocean. So pretty. So pretty. Then we have another 6-weight Native Mink. Oh my God. Why am I giving this one away? That's pretty. Holy moly. That'll make a gorgeous hat. I don't know. I should enter this contest myself. Okay, this one is called Buttercream Alpaca. Really? Alpaca? It's violet, made in Turkey, 80% acrylic, 20% alpaca. So you're getting a little bit of a halo on that. Oh, so pretty. Okay. That is also a, well, once I stop twirling it, 6-weight. 3 6-weights. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, not, I'm going to give some cotton. It's summer. It's hot. We're going to give away cotton. Yes. Cotton. 3 skeins of Lion Brand Comfy Cotton. Oh no, this is not the comfy. This is the twisted cotton. Twisted cotton. This is 5-weight. It looks like a 4-weight, but because it has kind of some knotting in it. It has a little bit of knotting in it. So 2 yellows and a green. I like to make dishcloths out of this. Yeah. Okay. And more cotton. This is the Comfy Cotton blend. Lions Brand Comfy Cotton blend. 3-weight Flower Garden Jardin de Fleurs. Yeah, I don't speak French. 392 yards of a 3-weight, and it's so beautiful. Look at that color. Look at all those colors of spring in there. It's called Jardin de Fleurs, flower garden. Everything you'd see in a flower garden. Not my flower garden. No. I have 1 flower in my flower garden. It is none of those colors. Yes. And then I'm going to give you more Lion Brand Boogie Nights. Got it in a Santa sack. I actually had 2 Santa sacks. Got one in both Santa sacks. So I have 1, you have 1. We could do something together. It sparkles. Look how beautiful that sparkles. This is a 5-weight. Wow, lots of 5 and 6-weight, huh? Okay. It is Royal Flush. Okay. That is pretty. That is pretty. Yes, I like that. Okay. And I always throw a little something in at the end, just in case I can entice you, i.e. enable you, to start diamond painting. Because one of my first loves is diamond painting. I love crochet, love all the other crafts, but I got started with my channel with diamond painting. So I am an affiliate with Treasure Studios Arts. I would like to give you guys, with the yarn, the winner will get a $25 gift card for Treasure Studios Art. You can run over to that channel. You can follow the link in my description to the channel. It'll show you all they have to offer. They've got a huge Halloween selection that just came out this week. You might want to pick out a painting for Halloween. Yeah, and try your luck at diamond painting. Or they have lots of other stuff that they sell. If you're not interested in diamond painting, they have beautiful selections of washi tape and some other things on their site that you might be interested in. I love their washi tape. I use it in my happy planner because I also happy plan. Yes, I'm not really good at this, but you know, I'm getting there. So like I said, I do all the crafts. So take a look at my channel. Here are the rules. You must be a U.S. citizen. I am so sorry if you live abroad. I love you dearly. I have a lot of good subscribers, great subscribers that live abroad, but I can't afford the postage. Now, if you want to participate and pay the postage, I'd be happy to mail it to you. So you must be a subscriber. So subscribe to the channel. Run over to Instagram and follow me if that's not a requirement, but you know, go ahead. Yeah, come on. I know I don't do Instagram. I know a lot of you don't. I get it. Okay. Hit the like button. Yeah, helps the algorithm. And share this video with someone you might think would like the channel or would like to win the giveaway. Don't forget also to leave a comment. What would you like to put in the comment? I would like you to tell me how many skeins of 6-weight yarn I'm giving away this month. You might have to go back and look at the video again, or copy what your neighbor put before you did. That's what I do. So I hope to see you in one of my videos, maybe one of my lives. I know a lot of people that have entered my giveaways in the past have become subscribers and do truly love my channel. So give it a try, see what you think. Maybe you'll win. I won something the other day. I never win anything. I won. A different channel had a giveaway. I won. I was shocked. Yeah. Now I'm going to be cross-stitching. So, take care everybody. Love you. Bye.